Hey guys, hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to solve question number 15, and the chapter which we are related with is bank reconciliation statement. And let's see where requirement has been written. Ascertain bank balance as per cash book. Alright, we are needed to create bank reconciliation statement. There are three steps. First line is fixed for bank reconciliation statement. Then we need to put the date, and date in this question is 31st March. In previous question it was December, and now we are going to change it into March. Year is same. Third, to put the name, and here organization name is Naveed and Company. Last question was for Khobaib. So here we are going to write Naveed and Company. So our first step has been completed. We have written all three headings as our first step. So let's start the question. Balance as per passbook. So first element which we are noting is balance as per passbook. And as you know that when it's a balance and it has been written on passbook and nothing else has been mentioned, so it would be posted on credit side. Balance as per passbook, we will write it as credit. Let's see how much amount it is. That is 1,60,000. Post 1,60,000 over here and note it down. Balance as per passbook, under rules it is credit, and we have written credit. Now next is B, checks paid in. As you know that paid in, deposited, and what we search in deposited, uncredited checks. And now you can see that it has been written not collected, uncollected, uncredited, dishonored, returned, one of the same thing. Deposited but uncredited, it should be written on credit side. And how much the amount is, that is 40,000. Let's put the amount and write down uncredited checks. And look at there, look at here, deposited but uncredited. Paid in mean you have deposited the amount in your bank. Look, checks paid into bank, these are deposited, and not cash, not cleared, not credited, one of the same thing. So two entries completed. Now C entry is saying interest on deposit. You will deposit the amount, it means you will receive the interest. It is an income, and income should be written on debit side. So here we will write debit, and you can mention it is interest on deposits. Alright guys, but it's not enough. You can see that credited in passbook. Second hint, credited in passbook. Whatever passbook will do, we will be entering exactly opposite. So if it is credit in passbook, we will debit. So in the same way, you can see that we have already debited. First word was helping, interest on deposit, it is an income. In all incomes, we do debit for bank account. Look, in income, bank would be debit. So there are several hints with which we have decided interest on deposit should be written on debit side. Amount is 4,000. Just put 4,000 over here. And now next, after C we have D entry, customer paid. When you will see the customer, you will automatically understand that customer is the person from whom amount is receivable. So he is paying. Look at here, customer paid into the bank directly. Your customer directly paid into the bank. It means your bank account has been increased. Increase in bank account should be debited. So you will write debit, customer direct deposit, and now we are going to put the amount. If customer directly deposited 30,000, put this amount over here. Next entry, dividend. Dividend is profit, and as you have seen, it is profit, it is income. But let's see what else is saying over here. Dividend money on share held by Naveed was received. Look at here, second word we have, helping word we have is received. Received means it is your favorable thing, it's your income. And directly by the bank, it means that income is received by bank. Your bank amount has been increased. Increase in bank account should be debited, so you will debit. This is dividend directly received. If dividend directly received, that is 16,000. Put it over here. So it was last entry. All entries are completed. Now next step is to calculate the sum of all amounts on debit side. This is sum of debit, and now you will calculate all amounts, sum of all the amounts on second side. So this is sum of credit, this is sum of debit, and now we will put the sign. Credit sign has 2 lakh, debit sign has 50,000. It means larger sum is credit, you will put over here. Here you will calculate the difference by subtracting larger sum from smaller sum. 2 lakh minus 50,000, so we have got 1 lakh 50,000, and here is our answer 150,000. Now how you will put this answer? You have started this question with passbook, just write down cash book, and your sign was credit in solution. For answer you will be acting as opposite, you will write debit, and same amount you will be writing over here. In this way, cash book debit 150,000, and here cash book debit 150,000. So guys, in this way our question number 15 has been completed. Though solution is in front of you, everything is clean and clear like a mirror, but even then you are very open. Oh, one thing had left, we haven't put the sign over here. In second line you will write add, no matter whatever the question is, you will follow the same scheme, less. Now our question has been completed, solution is in front of you, but even then I am requesting you, if you are feeling any difficulty in any entry, you are very open to ask your questions truly through messages, text, or you can directly contact to share your queries. I would be 100% available to answer your questions. So thank you very much for your time. It's time to end our lecture. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.